You are probably about to make a massive buying mistake by automatically choosing the more expensive HVAC brand, thinking a higher price tag always guarantees better quality. A deep dive into the engineering data of these two systems reveals a hidden truth about warranties and performance that major manufacturers do not want you to know. One of these choices offers an incredible value gap that can save you thousands of dollars on day one installation without sacrificing a single day of system protection. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am HVAC Repair Guy. With over 17 years of real world field experience working as a service technician, a system installer, and an HVAC contractor, I look at these heating and cooling machines very differently than a typical salesman does. I do not care about glossy marketing brochures. I care about what actually works when it is 95 degrees outside and your family is counting on the AC. Today, we are putting two premium heavy hitters head to head, the Armstrong Air A7HP19V and the Franklin GLXT7C. Both of these are classified as premium, two-stage systems manufactured right here in the United States, but the real-world operational and financial differences between them are absolutely critical for your wallet. When we look at raw performance data, the Armstrong Air A7HP19V steps up to the plate with an impressive 19.0 SEER efficiency rating. That provides a higher energy efficiency tier compared to the 17.2 SEER rating of the Franklin GLXT7C. That means the Armstrong Air unit is engineered to squeeze more cooling comfort out of every single dollar on your monthly electric bill. Beyond that specific efficiency gap, however, these two systems are surprisingly neck and neck in terms of features. Both models utilize a 2-speed condenser fan and a 2-speed compressor to give you excellent stage matching and humidity control rather than just blasting on and off at full capacity like a basic single-stage unit. They also both feature heavy-duty louvered coil guards to protect the internal fins from hail or yard equipment. And both include factory-installed compressor sound blankets that keep their operational noise levels tied at a remarkably quiet 70 decibels. On the warranty front, you might naturally expect the higher-priced model to beat out the competition, but the structured data reveals an absolute deadlock. Both Armstrong Air and Franklin back these premium units with a 10-year parts warranty, a 10-year compressor warranty, and an exceptional 10-year unit replacement warranty. That means if your compressor fails at any point during the first decade of ownership, you do not just get a replacement part shipped to you, you get an entirely new outdoor condenser unit. To truly understand why these specifications match up so closely, we have to look at the parent companies and their manufacturer relationships. Armstrong Air is a flagship brand under Allied Air Enterprises, which is a direct subsidiary of Lennox International, meaning it benefits from elite engineering and a premium dealer distribution network. Franklin, on the other hand, is a high-value brand owned by Dakin Comfort Technologies, leveraging the exact same robust internal components manufacturing lines and advanced R32 refrigerant platform found in standard Goodman systems. This relationship allows Franklin to offer heavy-duty, build consistency, and widespread parts availability across North America without the steep premium price tag associated with top-tier brand names. This brings us straight to the real world. Pricing comparison. Because Armstrong Air positions itself as a premium contractor brand with higher efficiency ratings, a professional contractor installed system typically ranges from $7,500 to over $10,500, depending on your home size and layout. The Franklin GLXT7C, leveraging its position as an efficient but budget-conscious private label, comes in significantly lower with realistic market ranges for a fully professional installation landing between $5,500 and $7,500. When we analyze the overall value of price versus performance and build quality, the practical homeowner implications become very clear. While the Armstrong Air system saves you more money month over month on your utility bills, due to its 19 SEER rating, the initial price gap of a few $1,000s means it could take you many years just to break even on that extra efficiency. For homeowners living in extremely hot climates with exceptionally high utility rates, that extra efficiency pays off relatively quickly. But for the average home, the Franklin gives you the exact same quiet operation and the identical 10-year unit replacement protection while keeping thousands of dollars in your bank account on Shop Like a Pro by using the head-to-head tool on HVAC Dash for dashbeginners.com